Alright, Dan Jack's Cook with the Blues here. So, Caesar salad time. So, I'm going to make a little garlic butter first. I'm going to make a little garlic bread for our Caesar salad. And, a nice baguette. Still had in the freezer, so it's a little frozen, but we'll do it just right. I don't think we need that much butter. So what that's melting here, I'm going to show you do. I'm going to put some garlic cloves, anchovies, and then I'm going to put a little salt and pepper just as an abrasive. Be careful with the salt though, because we're going to be adding some Dijon and I'm doing it from a chef's perspective. All the waiters out there are going to say, this guy, he doesn't have a clue what he's doing here with this. But you know what? It's kind of the first time I made it this way. Usually I just puree it in a blender. But hey, this. Oh. Gotta be patient with this. Ooh, the workout.
Yeah, you see it.
How's our butter look on the stove?
Oh yeah, we're good there.
We'll take our garlic bread. You can make croutons. You don't necessarily have to make the garlic bread. I like this kind of for the presentation. Here we go in the oven.
Yep.
Where else do you oven dry your own wood for the wood-fired pizza, huh? Come on. only at Daddy Jack's. Right, Big?
Yep.
Okay, look at this. Oh, wait.
No.
Oh.
Look out.
Back at the ranch. Okay. Hey, Justin, you grab me like 3 eggs, please? Or 4? Okay, so now we're gonna add some Dijon. Good amount of Dijon mustard. Leon Perrons. Leon Perrons. Thanks, Justin. Healthy amount. Add some lemon. All right, roll them a little bit, get the juice loosened up. Add a little bit of red wine vinegar also. Plenty of lemon. This salad's supposed to have. Hey, B, what were you saying about this was invented in Mexico?
Yeah, Caesar salad. I actually
Tijuana.
saw it the other day.
Tijuana.
In Tijuana, Mexico, there's a Mexican cantina. I can't remember the name of it, but that's where it was created by the chef named Caesar. I don't remember his last name though.
Hey,
You learn something every day.
hey. Acapulco. There's a lot of like Mexico. A lot of great restaurants in Acapulco, Mexico City. The cuisine, like, they have some of the best restaurants in the country. Hey, sorry. All right, so I'm gonna mix that up nice. Will you pass me over that olive oil? So do a couple egg yolks. Egg yolks.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, you know, a lot of times the table side they do it with a fork. I'm not doing it that way. It's kind of why whisks were invented. So, we'll start off real slow. Nice DiCecco olive oil. Drizzle it nice and slow. I'm just going to use some nice blender with salad oil. Okay. And
That's good, right?
a little bit of granulated garlic. And at this stage here now, I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan. We'll add more. Some people don't right at this stage, but so I'm gonna give it a taste here. So we need an additional seasoning. Pretty darn good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a cup. I'm gonna take some of this out of the bowl, Glenn.
All right.
Cleaned up our lettuce a little bit. Now, B, you were saying the original recipe calls for the whole leaves, right?
Yeah, what they do is they toss the whole leaf in,
Yeah.
the dressing, and then plate it that way.
Yeah. Yeah, in the United States here, we just always usually chop it. I even love it that end right there.
Me too.
You know?
Yep.
Justin, you pass me a couple of those round plates? Thank you. So it's got a darker color than most Caesar dressings. Hey, Justin, grab us a couple forks. We'll come over there and test it out. Alright, that's our Caesar right there. Good garnish. We'll go around. Can we come over on your table? Best you want to try? Come on, B.
it's really good.
Yeah, you can't buy anything out of store bought.
No, which is why I don't.
Huh?
When you get that anchovy, it's
Get a fork, Holly. Caesar dressed Caesar salad.
I normally don't eat Caesar because for me, like a lot of the store stuff is way too heavy on the anchovy. It's too.
Yeah.
I would actually eat this. It's really good.
Not bad. It's been a while since I made it. The Dad Guys Go With Blues here. If I was wearing a hat, it'd be hats off to Caesar on Tijuana. You know what? Because he created something that's worldwide. You know, that's like every chef's dream is to come up with some recipe that everybody copies. Everybody, you know, there's so many different variations of it. I went out to dinner the other night, and for a special occasion, they charged $29 for Caesar salad made tableside.
Oh.
It was like, it was kind of a, they put capers in it, and at the end they drizzled olive oil before they mixed it. It just wasn't right. But hey, that's where I got the idea I want to do this one here. So, Dad Guys Go With The Blues. Peace.
That's really good.
It is really good.
Some more?